Picasso. No fighting.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hit it. Shoot.
Don't. Picasso. Pick it up. Can you hand it to me? Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Daddy. Good job.
Yeah. Hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor.
Watch out for Picasso behind you.
This is the apple. What? Yeah. Turn it off. No.
Okay. So it started as an apple dance show because Andrea wanted to show us how the apple dance went. What? Oh my gosh. Are you practicing your moves?
Yeah. I'm gonna show her the apple dance. I'll be right.
Look at this little dude. Picasso, give me that, please. Thank you, baby.
I'm trying to make
Goodness knows. Oh my gosh.
I
I don't even want to see myself right now. I don't want y'all to see how I look right now, but you're good.
Okay, we got to start it all over again because
Oh, hopefully
Izzo
that wasn't too bad.
actually
I don't know how this looks
canceled.
right now.
Izzo
But my hair is all
canceled
over
my
the place,
video.
I'm sure.
Izzo canceled it on
He
purpose.
didn't cancel it, sweetie. Here we go.
Oh, he wouldn't let me dance. He was in the way while I was dancing.
Okay.
Stop turning off the music. You know, kick me.
Well, my battery's getting low, so y'all say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Say goodbye to America
Goodbye.
and the world. Say goodbye, world.
Goodbye.
Never mind.
Goodbye.
Say good night.